So I'm about to show you how you can use the combination of JavaScript live recompilation, thanks to Chrome DevTools and V8, along with standard breakpoint debugging to redefine functions as you are debugging them. Pretty rad. Stay tuned. So I got one of these fancy scales that syncs over Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and sends my weight recordings up to the cloud, where it's pretty cool. But the site is actually just redefined their dashboard, and I don't like their new dashboard. I like their former one. I'm going to click over to that right now. It has a much better representation. But sometimes you can see that this happens here, and it just gets stuck on this loading bar forever. This actually is a JavaScript exception. I'm just going to pop open the console, and here we are. Type error, cannot read property of measure groups of undefined. Click through on that and take a look at what is actually happening. Okay, so inside get runkeeper, we have the success after some AJAX request. Looks like body, and then body is actually undefined here. Okay, that's not good. What we can do is actually fix their JavaScript so that this page actually successfully loads. So let's do that. I could edit it now, but I still need to run this function so that we can do the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a breakpoint, refresh the page. All right, broke on that position. Preview down here of asynchronous call stacks, and we can walk back through the AJAX request and through everything that's happening. It's really cool. I'll get to that later. All right, so body here is undefined. Okay, we're broken here, and we're actually just going to click in and start typing and redefining this function. Now the cool thing here is I'm going to save, so just do Command S, and when I do Command S, we see in the console the recompilation and update succeeded. And even though I was debugging, we were able to send that new update to the VM, and the VM just restarted this function with the new definition in mind. And so we're now rebroken on that line of code, but it's now running the new stuff. So if I just hit play, I think we're good. I'm going to open up the console, and it looks like, yep, we got activity going on here, and I think if we just wait a few seconds, we should be seeing the results that we want to see. Boom. Cool. So that is making good use of JavaScript live recompilation, standard old breakpoint debugging. The combo of them allows us to redefine stuff on the fly while we're in debugging mode. Pretty cool. Cheers.